Hello everyone, again welcome back to our channel. Today also we have brought you another tutorial video where I will be showing you how you can actually add someone into the group without actually saving their number. But before we start with our video, do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yeah, we will simply just type into our video now. So first of all, what we will do is simply just go to your WhatsApp app, make sure it's updated everybody. And once you're here in your WhatsApp, what you will do is, for example, I have this group over here, right? If I want to add somebody in this group, what I will do is simply tap on the group's profile, tap here for groups info, and then I will go here and tap on this option called add participants. You saw it, right? If you tap it over here, you can see all of the saved contact numbers will pop up, none the one you cannot add the participants that you don't have a contact in your saved contacts. So what you will do is you will simply just go back and you will tap this option called invite via link. Simply tap on it. Here you can say send a link via WhatsApp. If that person is already in WhatsApp, you have already talked it out, had a conversation, simply send this link, and then they will tap on it, confirm, and they will be back to the group. Otherwise, you can simply copy the link or simply tap on the share link as well. Here you can see the various social media platforms where you can simply send this particular link to whoever you would like to add back to your account. For example, if I have that person in my Instagram, simply tap on this Instagram chats option, search that particular person and tap on the send, and that tap on this done as well. Then your link is sent to this person. You can see it over here, and that person will simply tap on this link. I can see this will redirect to this group. Since I'm already added, it's not showing anything to me. That person will just confirm the request and will be added back. You can see you have QR code option as well. Simply tap on this. You can give the screenshot, you can share this QR as well to them, and they will be simply click on it, scan the QR code, and will be back to your group. This is how you can simply invite anybody who is not in your contact to the group over here. So everybody, this is how you can simply do it, and I hope this video was helpful to you guys. If you have more questions, do leave in the comments below, and yeah, I'll see you guys next time.